I have already explained you the different probability sampling techniques when your population was not widespread. But if your population is widespread, then we have two techniques available. One of the technique is called cluster sampling technique, and another is called a multi-stage sampling technique. So let me write the title, and then we write the objective, and then let us say, looking to the objective, whether we use the random sampling or systematic sampling or stratified random sampling or stratified proportionate random sampling or cluster sampling or multi-stage. Let us just try to understand that. My dear friend, you have understood that the random sampling technique can be used with stratification. That you have understood. So let us write a title: A Study of Job Satisfaction of Teachers Working in government schools of Madhya Pradesh. So if this is the title, and dear friend, here you know that you want to collect your population is teachers of government schools of Madhya Pradesh or teachers working in government schools of Madhya Pradesh. So you want to take the complete state. Therefore, it is widespread. If it would have been only Bhopal, then it would not have been widespread. And if my objective is something like this, to compare mean scores of job satisfaction of urban and rural teachers. Now, if this is the one, then what we do is like this. From the title, it is apparent that you want to take the complete MP. So you have to find out that this MP has got how many districts? How many districts in MP? Can any one of you tell me? How many districts in MP? So there are, one person has said 24, that is wrong. Another person has said 50, that is also wrong. Another person has said 53. Now there are 52 districts in Madhya Pradesh. So there are 50 districts in MP. That means in each district there are schools. In each district there are government schools. In each district there are government schools. Now in the cluster, so it is widespread. So now what we do is, we first of all in the cluster sampling, in cluster sampling, I have to first select districts from the cluster of 50 districts. I have to select district from 50 districts. Now, how many districts do you want to select? How many districts do you want to select? Tell me, how many districts do you want to select? Suppose you want to select 20 districts. So then select 20 districts randomly. Randomly from 50 districts. This is your step number 1. Now in step number 2, that in 20 selected districts, how many schools might be there in 20 selected districts? How many schools might be there in each district? Approximately. Approximately how many? You can use your Google and you can find out from the Google how many government schools in dear, I am getting in my Google, it is saying that somewhere it is 532 schools, somewhere it is 2,102, somewhere it is 2,862. So suppose I say that so if suppose I say that suppose there are let us say 1,000 government schools in 20 selected districts. Okay. Now, what you do is out of 1,000 schools, or if you want, you can have 10,000 schools, I don't mind. Suppose there are 1,000 schools. Now, how many schools do you want? Now you see, here, my objective is I want urban and rural. So I must find out that out of 1,000, how many schools are in urban area and how many schools are in the rural area. In 1,000, selected or in 1,000 government schools, suppose there are 600 government schools in urban area and the 400 government schools in rural area. Now, you want the teachers. So in 6,000 schools, 600 schools, if I say there are 10 teachers, so I can say that there are 6,000 teachers in government schools there are 6,000 teachers in government schools situated in urban area, and I'll say there are 4,000 schools, 4,000 government schools in there are 4,000 teachers, 4,000 teachers in government schools situated in rural area. Now, how many do you want? So now you have, so you can use the stratified random sampling or stratified proportionate random sampling to select your sample. Now select sample using stratified random sampling or stratified proportionate random sampling. So therefore now, by following the two stages, now you are selecting your sample. This is what is called the cluster sampling. So you have divided the districts into the schools. Sorry, first you have divided the state into the districts, and from the districts you selected the schools, and from the schools you